Hey guys, it's Sony. You guys are not gonna like what I have to say about Doggy right now. I think it's going down, man. I think it's going down to 37 cents, and then I think it's probably going down to 25 cents. We actually just crossed on the bear side. We actually just made a pretty decent candle on the downside on the hour chart, and also on the 4 hour. We made a stronger bear movement to the downside, and on the day chart we made another stronger movement down on the day chart. So this is not looking good at all for people holding Doggy right now. I do think that we're headed down to 37 cents. Generally, that's what I think is actually going to happen. And the fact that on the week chart, you haven't even seen that green bubble get created on the reverse MACD. So I think that as of right now, I think Doggy is well underway and headed down to that 25 cent mark, man. I you know, this is, I know a lot of people are gonna say they don't like what I have to say or whatever, but I'm telling you, man, if you guys are holding Doggy right now, it's not looking like the best for you as far as TA shows. And I've been following the Doggy Millionaire guy, the proto Doge Doggy Millionaire on YouTube. Oh man, if you're still holding your positions, bro, I know you bought like an extra $30,000 worth of Doggy too. I'm gonna feel for you in the next couple of days if we actually drop down to that 25 cent mark, bro, because I know that at that point you're probably gonna be hurting. Well, not hurting, because you'll probably still make around $1 million, but I think at that point it's gonna be going down to like, I think at peak he was at like a $2.83 million. I think if we drop to 25 cents, he's only gonna be up about $1 million, probably less than that, which is pretty insane. But yeah, I do think that as of right now, that sell-off towards the downside on Doggy has started, and I am definitely thinking that it's gonna hit 37 cents sometime this week, and definitely possible now for Doggy to go all the way back to 24, 25 cents. So I don't know, man. Let's see how this plays out, but I'll see you guys later.